The shares of Roblox down almost 30% so far this year. The stock was reiterated overweight, though, at Morgan Stanley on its new partnership with the NFL. So it is our call of the day. Shares of Roblox up about 3.5%. Bryn, you own it. Is this a name that you want to stick with? Is this more of a long-term play, less of a trade? Talk us through. This is a big metaverse play. So how are you thinking through ownership of this name?
Well, Dave Baszucki, who founded the company, this is actually an old company that IPO'd. It's a new publicly traded company. And so I think when Facebook, renamed their name to Metaverse, this company definitely had a halo effect to that. And you saw it, race up into that. But this is a real company. I mean, Facebook has no products around the Metaverse. Roblox last quarter, their revenues from Q3 21 to Q3 2020 were up 100%. They did $500 million in revenues. They have $170 million of free cash flow. They had 11 billion hours spent. And I think what's really interesting is that this is a really sticky platform where they allow outside developers, which they pay, to create content for the users. And so what's interesting is that you just saw the NFL sign a partnership with them. Sony recently filed a partnership with them. Warner Brothers also has a new partnership with them. And so what's nice about it is these developers create content. The one thing I'm looking out for this quarter is, with the huge success of Squid Games, on Netflix, what actually happened are the developers went in there and created all these Squid Games worlds, which really drove new users. So I don't know on a quarter-over-quarter comparison how that's going to follow through. And so the way I own it is I own the stock, but I also have sold calls against it because, to your point, it's down 30%. It's a volatile name, and you can really collect some good call premium, and especially going into earnings. Because in this earnings season, who knows? It could be up 20% or down 20% just based on, what you're seeing happening with companies, this quarter.